Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay, we have start our question answer, a problematic thing for the students, right? It is the question answer, too bored, too lengthy. But you can understand and then after you learn, it is easy for you. I send you the explanation of the whole lesson, right? And in middle also I explain something new about the related to the chapter. Okay, now firstly open the ES workbook and we have to go to the question answer. Then after we see the picture and what is the picture given, then you have to write in the workbook, right? Open page number, firstly page number 8. We take combined video of the 7 and 8, but I explain first the 8 number page. Okay, now answer the question. State the resources of water. In third standard also we learn about the resources of the water and we do the draw the water cycle, right? But when we get the water, it is the main important thing. हमको पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? तो everyone knows water is get by the rain, but it is not right. It is right, but rainwater is fall. It is flow in the early side, and where the earth is going on, it is flow and flow. But the when rainwater is flow, it's sucked by the land, and sometimes it is from the river, lake, sea, so many things. So we get water from the pond, river, lake, and core part of the earth. What is the core part of the earth? When the rainwater come from the earth suck the water and store in the deep core part of the earth. It is called the core part of the earth, right? Now, second number, what is the color of water from where the river begins? We see the picture also, and here also picture is there. Here, look at here, mountain, and when the river flows, it is the very clean and it is nothing to pollute, right? So, what is the color of the water when the rivers begin? It is clean and colorless. There is no color. It is the colorless. Water is colorless. When the water is clean, then it is the colorless, right? It is the clean and colorless water where the river begins. Now third number, is the water from the sea drinkable? Why? Is the water of the sea is the drinkable? No, because everyone knows sea's water is very salty, right? So sea water we cannot drink. No, the river from the sea is not drinkable because it is a salty. It is very salty. We cannot drink the salty water because it is harm to our body, right? Fourth number, are there any changes in their water during the summer, rainy season and in the winter? Are you changed? Have you observed some changes in the water when the summer season is there, rainy season is there and winter season is there? Do you observe, children? What is the changes in the water? Some changes in the water. Which type of the change? Look at here. During summer, water is hot. When water is kept in one bucket or one vessel and we pour the hand in the water, then we feel the hotness, right? So, in summer season, water is hot and more vaporization. What is meaning of the more vaporization? That means the vapor, steam निकल रहा है ना, पानी में से steam निकल के वो स्काई के ऊपर चली जाती है और जो पानी है वो उसका लेवल कम होता है. जो एक्सपेरिमेंट करना घर पे, समर सीजन में एक बर्तन में पानी रख के देखना और 2 दिन के बाद देखोगे तो जितना पानी भरा था उससे थोड़ा कम देखने मिलेगा. Why that happen? Because of the vaporization. पानी के अंदर वेपोराइजेशन होता है, स्टीम प्रोड्यूस होती है, सन की रे उसके ऊपर गिरती है और जो पानी है वो स्टीम के थ्रू ऊपर चला जाता है और उसका लेवल कम हो जाता है, राइट। नाउ इन रेनी सीजन वी गेट क्लीन एंड प्योर वाटर। इन रेनी सीजन व्हाट हैपन? इन रेनी सीजन व्हेन rain come from to the earth, then all the minerals are dilute in the water. That water is considered as the best water for drinking. जो पानी रेन के थ्रू आता है उसके अंदर एटमॉस्फेयर के जो मिनरल्स होते हैं वो सारे उसके अंदर डाइल्यूट हो जाते हैं, घुल मिल जाते हैं। और ऐसा पानी अगर हम घर पे उसको कैच कर लें और पीने के यूज़ में लेंगे तो वो बिल्कुल क्लीन वाटर होगा। एक्वागार्ड से भी क्लीन वाटर होता है, वो प्योर वाटर होता है। उसको को देखना, कोई जो ओल्ड लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं कि वो पानी को कैच करते हैं बर्तन में, फिर उसको फिल्टर करते हैं और उसके इतने बड़े बड़े जो बॉटल होते हैं वो भर लेते हैं। और देखना उसके अंदर पूरे साल वो बॉटल के अंदर पानी रहेगा तो भी उसके अंदर एक जम्स भी नहीं रहता है। लेकिन आपके घर में अगर टंकी के अंदर ऐसा पानी स्टोर करके 1-2 महीना रखना, देखो इसमें छोटे छोटे जम्स, इंसेक्ट लग जाएंगे, कीड़े लग जाएंगे। देखा है ऐसा? हाँ, बिकॉज वो वाटर क्लीन नहीं है। जो रेन का वाटर होता है वो बिल्कुल प्योर एंड क्लीन वाटर होता है। एंड इन विंटर वाटर इज कोल्ड एंड लेस वेपोराइजेशन टेक प्लेस। एंड इन विंटर सीजन में वाटर जो होता है वो ठंडा होता है, कोल्ड होता है एंड लेस वेपोराइजेशन टेक प्लेस। दिस आर द चेंजेस इन द 3 सीजन फॉर द वाटर, राइट। नाउ 5 number, what are the different kind of aquatic animals found in the water of a river or a pond? What type of the different kind of the aquatic animal? What is the meaning of the aquatic animal? Aquatic animals means the animal which live in the water, right? So which kind of the aquatic animal we see in the river water or pond water? We found fish, frog, tortoise, sometimes it is snake, river snake होता है, and water animals. So many water animals are there that also we have to find in the water or pond or river, right? 6 number, what kind of birds come to a river or a pond? You know birds is very thirsty, then they go to the river, in bank of the river. But when the pollution is less, that areas of the birds has to come for the drink water. So where the birds come and which birds are the come to drink the water? It is the birds like coot crane, dipper duck, egret, etc. come to river or a pond. Such type of the birds come to the river, pond. Okay. 7 number, how is drinking water clean in your house? It is a very important question because sometimes in the big city some gutter water is also mixed in the tap also, drinking water also. So it is very important for us how to we clean the water and before jump-free water we get. Okay. So drinking water is clean through the AquaGuard. In each and every house nowadays it is the AquaGuard RO plant, right? तो आपके घर में भी अगर पानी पीने का पानी कैसे आएगा, एक्वागार्ड के थ्रू आएगा तो वो क्लीन होगा। एंड वाटर प्यूरिफाइड इन मैनी हाउसेस, इन द स्मॉल विलेज it is the water purifier. 3 types of the filter is there and water is passed through the 3 types of the filter. One is the sand, one is the cloth and another one is the dust. ऐसे करके 3 प्योरीफायर के अंदर से वाटर को पास किया जाता है और उससे पास होके जो वाटर आता है वो क्लीन हो जाता है ना चिल्ड्रन? नाउ लुक एट हियर इज द वर्कबुक पेज नंबर 7. River and sea is the difference, but when I send the PDF of the CW, that time I explain the difference. But here look at the picture, look carefully at the picture of the river, read the words given below and use them to write 10 line about the पिक्चर। आपको पिक्चर देख के उसके बारे में 10 लाइन लिखनी है. ओके, नाउ here is the word given: boat, flowing water, clouds, fish, aquatic plants, river, big boat, oil, river bank, foul smell, factories, washing clothes, animals, other work changes, city. Now I have written a beautiful river flow from the hill. A beautiful river flow from the hill. A river water is very clean. When the river begins, it is the clean water. There are so many trees under the foothill of the river. Look at here. Here so many trees are there in the foothill of the water. Clouds bring rain in monsoon season. Here some clouds is there, and clouds bring rain in the monsoon season. Village people get rain for drinking. Then after, when the river passes flowing away, the river water people get rain for the drinking. River water people get rain for the drinking. Now, and other work, people also do the other work. Now boat flows for travel, the people, and then the boat also floating on the river to travel for the people. Environment is very clean. So many good atmosphere is there. Environment is so clean because there is no factory, nothing. So it is the beautiful atmosphere. In river there are many fish, aquatic animals, and aquatic plants. In the river so many aquatic animals and aquatic plants also there. After some time, factory built near the river. What happened? After some time, the factory built near the water. People live near the river bank, and then after the factory started, then working people in the factory live in surrounded areas, right? Due to people live near the river, water get polluted because of the people whatever work is done in the water, river water. So day by day the pollution take place in the water, right? Foul smell come from the factories. Then after, bad smell. Foul means the bad. It is very harmful for our life. It is foul smell come from the factories. And some people cleaning the utensils, washing the clothes and animals. So when the river is origin, it is very good atmosphere and so many trees are there, aquatic animals also are there. But when the factory started and factories built near the river, it is the whole the water is polluted, right? This is the picture of the workbook, and I send you the PDF also, and difference also I explained when I send the PDF of the CW. But children, now our system is changed. When the lesson is over, I send you the test paper of the test. Okay, I send the test paper in the homework. When you write in the assignment, then beside that the homework app is there. You have to click it, and then homework, the test paper you give, and you have to write in the ES test copy. When 3-4 tests are over, we have to come for the checking. We take the checking, right? So it is your daily routine. Whatever PDF is there, you have to learn at home, and you have to write the proper test at home. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको टेस्ट कॉपी के अंदर ES का टेस्ट लिखना है, और जब चैप्टर खत्म होगा मैं आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगी, इसीलिए वीडियो भी जरूर देखना है, वीडियो देखते रहना है ताकि आपको पता चले कि कब कौन से सब्जेक्ट का टेस्ट है. ओके, बाय चिल्ड्रन.